Hey everyone, Jake from Home Tech Talk, and today we are in my home office and we're going to be doing something a bit cool. We're going to be ripping out my data network here in the office and then we're going to start from scratch. Firstly, we're going to be assembling the new data rack. Then we're going to take out the old networking gear and repopulate it into the new rack. Before we start, if you are liking our videos, feel free to like and subscribe to keep up to date. Without further ado, let's rip into it. So I've chosen the Sanus 15RU component rack as that would best fit underneath my desk space. So what you get in the box here, it comes with quite a few accessories. So it comes with a 1RU shelf and also a 2RU shelf and also a couple of blank face plates, which is quite helpful. So let's start by building it. So we're just using a socket set here to tighten up all the nuts, and it's quite easy to put together. I also opted to get caster wheels, so I'm just going to screw those in now. And there you have it, we've completed the rack. Now I'm just going to add in a branded faceplate just at the top. And there you have it. Now we're going to look at taking out the old rack. So we'll just start by disconnecting the power and then we'll start disconnecting all the cables. Now it's time to see if the new rack fits. And just like that, fits like a glove. We'll also start by assembling our data patch panel, which is a Cat6 network data patch panel. now we'll install the cable manager to keep things nice and neat. Then we'll add in our network switch, and in this case I'm using an Araknis 16 port PoE network switch, which will give us plenty of ports to work with and also provide PoE power for our powered over Ethernet devices, such as my wireless access point and also a Control 4 touchscreen. Next up, we'll add in our Araknis router, and this is a dual WAN router, providing failover for our main connection if it does go down. Next up, we've got our Control 4 controller, which operates my home office. Next up, we'll add in our Ubiquiti Cloud Key controller. Now, this device manages my wireless in the office, as well as my client's Wi-Fi in some of the jobs that I have out in the field. I'll now install my PlayStation 5 rack mount, which is a 3RU unit. And off camera, I installed a shelf with my network attached storage device, as well as my PlayStation 5 accessories. And there you have it, a completed network rack. Well, there you have it, everyone. We've successfully upgraded the network here at my home office. So we started by ripping out the old equipment that was in my old network rack, and then we built the new skeleton rack, and then we populated the network equipment into the rack. So I hope you enjoyed the journey. If you are liking videos like this, feel free to like and subscribe to keep up to date. And don't forget to follow us on social media at Home Tech Talk. We'll see you guys on the next video.